Write a program to initialize 8255 with the following configuration. In this particular question, we are going to configure the control word of 8255 IC, which we will be using it for developing an application. The configuration of ports are as follows. The port A we have to configure as simple input, port B as simple output, and then the lower bits of port C should be configured as output, and the upper bits of port C should be configured as input. To configure the content of 8255 by accessing the register called as the control word register of 8255, first we must go through the bits of this 8255 control register. So right now, the mode which you are seeing here is the IO mode of 8255. Okay, so to make the configuration of 8255 work as per the details which are stated in this question, we will be choosing the IO mode of 8255 IC. So this can be done by writing a 1. Here you can see the D7th bit of this control register is written with logic level 1. So this will make the mode as IO mode. This is the first step we will be doing it. After making this change, now we have to configure port A as simple input port. We will have a look at group A. In group A, the port A can be made as input port by setting the value of bit D4. Okay, so now what we do is, first we are making D7 is equivalent to 1. Then what I do is, I change the content of D4 is equivalent to 1. So this is the D4 bit. D4 is equivalent to 1 indicates that port A will function as input port. Now, the configuration says this port A should be made as simple input port. Why simple input? Port A can function in three different modes, namely the simple IO mode, then the handshake IO mode, and then the bidirectional mode. So we have to select across these three modes. So how do I do that? We have bits D5 and D6 doing this job. So D5, D6, if I set it as 0, 0, this becomes simple input output mode. So I'm going to change the mode of operation to mode 0. So what I do is bits D5 and D6. So these are the bits. This is the D6th bit and this is the D5th bit. So these two bits are made as 0, 0. So port A will work as simple input output mode. Port B should be made as simple output. Port B pins can be accessed by writing some contents on D0 and D1 bits. So what I'm going to do is, first let me change the content of D1. I'm going to write a 0 on D1, making port B as output bit. Next, I have to select the mode. The mode requested here is simple output mode, which can be done by writing a 0 on D2. So D2 also will be equivalent to 0. By doing this, I'm able to set mode 0 to port B. Okay, so both port A and port B are now set to mode 0, and port A is functioning as simple input port, and then port B is functioning as simple output port. Now the left out ports are port C. So port C, the lower bits I have to set it as output, and the upper bits I have to set it as input. Now let us take a look at the format of port C. So port C upper bits can be swapped between input and output by setting and resetting. So what I will do is, I will access the content of D3. So D3 is having control over the upper bits of port C. Upper bits of port C should be made as input. So D3 I will write it as 1. Okay, so this is the D3 bit. D3 is written as 1. Next, what I do is I'm going to access the content of lower bits of port C, which is available in bit D0. So D0, I am going to write it as 0. Okay, D0 is written as 0. So by doing this, I'm able to configure the lower bits of port C as output. Okay, so now we have learned how to set and reset the bits of control word of 8255. Okay, the next step will be writing a program. Now how do I write a code? First step is, after filling the content of this 8-bit control word, we have to convert this 8-bit binary data into its equivalent hexadecimal number, which is 98H. Now 98H is the data which we have to flash into 8255 interface. How to do this? Right now I'm going to flash the program onto 8255 IC from 8085 microprocessor. The first line which I will write is, I will move the data 98H to the accumulator. The instruction which I'm going to use is MVI, which stands for move immediate. The destination register is A, and the data which I'm going to write is 98H. So this will move the content of immediate data, which is 98, onto the accumulator. The next line which I'm going to write is out. Okay, out is a command which is used to flash some content on the input-output device. 8255 IC is our input-output peripheral device. So I'm going to send the content to the peripheral IC. The command is out. So what I'm going to flash out? I'm going to flash the content of accumulator to the IC. So this IC 8255 is assumed to be connected in the memory location 83H. So this is an assumption, since we are not doing a real-time program. I'm assuming that the 8255 IC is connected to the address location 83H. So what I do is I just write a command called as out 83. So what this command does is, the content of accumulator is now pushed to the address location 83H, which is pointing the IC 8255. Okay, so whatever data which we now assumed on the control word of this 8255 IC is now flashed from the 8085 microprocessor to IC 8255. So this is the procedure about how to flash a program on 8255. You cannot directly flash the program. You need either an 8085 microprocessor or 8051 microcontroller to do this. This program is only a very basic program where we are configuring the control word of 8255 IC. As a homework, I want you to work on the following examples. Okay, you can read the question. Write a program to initialize 8255 with the following configurations. Port A, I want you to set it as simple output. Port B will be simple input, and then port C lower bit I would like you to configure it as output, and the upper bits I would like to configure it as input. The next exercise which I would like you to work is this: write a program to initialize 8255 with the following configuration. Port A, please configure it as handshake output. Port B as simple input. Then the lower bits of port C as input, upper bits of port C as output. So try to write a code, find the hexadecimal equivalent of the register, and then dump that particular hexadecimal code onto the 8255 IC. Thank you.